Shut up and sit down.
Scratch, 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 scratch. Dog scratch, cat scratch, monkey scratch. I scratch, you scratch, you scratch. If you don't know how to scratch, I will teach you how to scratch. Yay! Let's scratch. Welcome back. So we are going to start with the storyboard. So the story's plan is to make the astronaut descend, and for that we need a rocket. We do not have a rocket here, and the astronaut still didn't come to space because the rocket is not there. So I'll put him at the side and delete these, but don't worry of the sound, it will always be over here, these two. But first, let's see how a rocket lands. Okay, now let's start by adding a rocket. Click on the plus sign. Let's search for a rocket. Let's go down, down and down. Yeah, the last sprite is the rocket. I'll click on it double times. So this is the rocket. I don't want it very big, so I'll click on the purple button and I'll make it small. You can see the small button over here. I'll tap on it and see what happens. Oh, it's coming down. So let me tap on it again. It's becoming smaller and smaller. I'll make it full small and I'll just delete it. Now let's see how we can make it large. I will take the big command and see. So this is how to make it big. But I don't want it big, I want it small, so I'll again do small. Yeah, so this is the smallest size. I want it up because from Earth it's coming like this, and I want it to go down like, yeah, like that. So I'll again put it up. Here, the blue button. I think this is the one. Oh yeah, there's a down. I'll see what happens when I click on it. Oh, it goes down. Okay. What if I put 3? It goes down 3 times. Oh wow. I'll put the rocket in the place again. Yeah. Now I will delete this. What the plan was to make the rocket come down. Let's see how to do that. I will go to the green flag section and take the green flag button, and then I'll make it come very, very down. I'll put it up again, but we are using many commands. I'll see how to do that more. There is a simple trick to make the rocket come to the moon. So you can see a line page over here at the top. Yeah, you can see some cells and called the grid. So when I click on the green flag, this comes down. I'll again make it up. Now let me, I roughly need, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 cells to make it come down. but that will take too much down arrow blocks. So there is a shortcut. Click on the orange button over here. You can see this command over here. It's called the repeat block. If you put anything inside it, like I'll put 1 down, and see, it will come down 4 times, because you can see a repeat arrow here. It just repeats again and again and follows the command that is inside this thing. So how to change the number? You can see a little number inside this. If you click on it, you'll see a small keyboard at the right. You can tell how much ever number you want. I want 10. I will click on 10 in the keyboard, and if you are done, just click outside and the keyboard will go. Now I don't want all these. I'll just delete them and put this over here, and let's see what happens. You can see it comes down like this. What the idea was to make it down and get larger and larger. Since it is far away, when it comes closer and closer, it will become bigger, bigger and bigger. So let's go to the purple thing again and see what happens if we add the big command. Let's see. Oh my, it becomes too large. So now I will, what the idea is, now I will, you can see a small down arrow I put and a small number there too. I'll click on that and choose another number. Maybe I'll choose 3. And every time when it comes 3 times down, I'll make the rocket change by 1. Let's see what happens now. Well, something went wrong. I'll see what happened. It's the loop thing. I think I put too many times the loop, because I put the number down 3 times, so I'll make the loop also 3. Now let's see what happens. I'll make it small again, and yeah. Now I think it's coming. I will just make the size 2 again. And now I'll click on the other button and let's see. Yeah, now it is perfect. Let's make a sound maybe when it comes down. I'll just put this simply. Now let's see. Yeah, now it's great. So I'll just turn off the grid. I don't need it anymore. Bye. See you in the next episode.